What's up, online shoppers? I am here with the INNZA IPL Hair Removal System. This was gifted to me by the brand, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Here's the box, a quick start guide, a manual, a really nice little cleaning cloth, and a thank you card. There is the device out of the box. There's the power cord. They also send you a little straight razor because even though we are removing the hair, it's best if the hair is out of the way so it doesn't clog up the device. Now this is a laser device and they do recommend that you wear their special glasses. These are safety glasses. They go on pretty easy. The color of them is green because this is the color that's going to effectively block out the laser light and protect your eyes, and they're very comfortable. And now for the unit. There you go. So it's just a tiny little unit. It actually only weighs about 300 grams, which means this isn't heavy in your hands. This here is the laser device unit, and right back here is your power. So that's how you're going to turn it on. At the top here and on the sides, there is venting to keep the unit cool. Now, something else that's unique about this device is it has 999,999 flashes in the unit, which is almost double the next closest device on the market. I do want to point out that IPL technology is definitely not for everybody. The way this technology works is the laser targets the melanin in the hair follicle. Melanin is what colors your hair, whether it's brown or red or gray or black. So people who have darker melanin in their hair follicles probably also have darker melanin in their skin. That can cause discomfort if you have a skin tone that is darker. So you definitely want to make sure that when you are using this, you try a small sample area first, and you always start with a lower intensity than the highest capacity that this has as an output. Let's plug this in and see how it works. The power cord goes in here just like that. I really like that they have this little cord keeper. I think that is super handy, and I'm just going to roll it up so that it is not in the way. Now here's the full length of the cord. Not overly long, but you can definitely plug this into an outlet in your bathroom, stand in front of the mirror and use this. Right now you can see that the device is off, and this is where you power it up. Right here you can see this. I'm going to put on my glasses for safety before we activate this little beauty. I'm going to press the power button, and as soon as I do it, you can hear the noise. Now the trigger is right here on the device. So right now the device is on level 1. Light taps on the power button are enough to bring it up to the next level, and it has 9 different settings. There it is at its top setting. Now we're going to use this on a lower setting, so we're just going to do it on level 2 right there. Now all you have to do is actually put it on your skin and hold the button, and you saw that little flash, and you can move and treat a particular area just like that. You can see the flashes. Now you can use this anywhere you have hair. You can use it on your armpits, you can use it on your arms, you can use it on your legs, you can use it on your face. You just want to make sure that you are wearing these glasses to protect your eyes. A long press like this is going to shut the machine off, but you can see it's actually counting down before it shuts off, because it has to make sure that it properly cools. You can hear that the little fans have shut off. So let's go over a couple things first, now that you know how it operates and you've seen it in action. First of all, it has 9 different energy levels, and each one of those is going to adapt to the different skin area, and the recommendations are here inside of the little booklet that they provide for you. It has an auto and a manual mode. That is depending on how you want to use it. On the auto mode, it will flash as you move it, and you don't have to pull the trigger. On the manual mode, you can direct this specifically to the area you want the hair removal, and it will trigger once you push the little button here. Now, if you're just starting off with a device like this, they recommend for the best results that you use it a minimum of 2 to 3 times per week for a minimum of at least 4 weeks. After you've completed that 4th week of treatment, for weeks 5 to 12, they suggest that you use it 1 to 2 times per week so that you can maintain the area where you have effectively used this IPL laser to remove hair. Once you've hit the 12-week mark, then you only have to use it as needed. You might find there's a tiny little patch of hair that comes back, and you can just go in and start your treatments again. Now, another cool thing about this little device is that it has an ice cooling care capacity. Now, this area here is the treatment area, but this area here has cooling capacity. So when you have it on your skin, it actually is quite cool, and that helps to counteract the heating effect of the laser. That's pretty cool because as the device is heating up the melanin melanin in the hair follicles in the skin. It's cooling the skin around to help with pain management and to keep the area comfortable. This is a super cool little device. I love how it feels in my hands. It's pretty comfortable. As I said, the cord is long enough. I've just got it plugged into an extension cord so I can do this video. But if I stand in front of my bathroom mirror, this is plenty of cord for me to use. As well, it's easy enough for me to bend over and get it on my legs or in my underarms. So I think that this is a pretty thoughtful design. I like the touch screen at the back. It's really easy to see the different levels, and the trigger here to operate it falls in a natural place. I think it's great that they've provided a razor and also the safety goggles, and the kit's a nice little one that you can keep together to keep everything in one place. I'm really impressed with the overall quality of this little INNZA IPL hair device. I think it's fantastic. I'm looking forward to using it over the next few weeks, 12 to be specific, to let you know how it works. I will be using it on my legs and in my underarm area and a couple other places too to get the hair removed and trouble-free. I think this is going to be a family favorite at my house.